Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Consistent with my last video, I have another affordable unit for you guys. This one is from Nadula Hair Company and it is human hair. The type of hair that I selected is Brazilian. In my experience, I feel like it's better quality and it's also usually fuller than other hair types. This unit did come pre-plucked, but I did decide to go in later to do a little bit more work. Right now, I've turned the unit over and I'm going to tint the lace using the Sally Hansen method. This unit, I don't believe came with bleach knots, but the knots were not really big like most affordable units. The lace is also really thin, which is really cool. After completing the Sally Hansen method, you may notice that there's some transfer, so I'm just spraying some water on the area where the part is, also around the hairline, and I'm cleaning it up with the makeup wipe. After doing that, I decided I did not want my part on this side. I always wear my part on the right side, so I'm just going to shift it. To ensure that the unit is secure and not moving all over the place while I'm shifting my part, I'm using a T-pin. I'm inserting that into the mannequin head, spraying water, and now I can easily make my part. Now, when making a part for this type unit, because it's only about 2 to 3 inches of parting space, the wefts behind the lace can be exposed if you don't cover it with hair. So I'm using a curved parting method in order to ensure that that area is fully covered. We don't have any of our wefts peeking out. So you all feel free to use that tactic in order to help you with a shorter lace in the front. So now I'm going to tweeze the front hairline. I'm only going to do the right side because that's the side that I'm going to wear out. The other is going to have the hair falling over, so there's really no need. And this hair came out very easily. It was so easy to tweeze this hairline, especially after spraying water. So you all be sure to spray water. That's going to help to loosen up the strands and help the hair to come out so much better. So now it's time to install this beautiful water wave bob. I love a good bob, y'all. And this one kind of gives me Being Mary Jane vibes. Y'all let me know. I felt like it kind of gave me a sense of her hair in that show. I love that show, by the way. It's kind of interesting, but I like it. So now I'm just working on the parting area. I didn't want it as deep as it was, so I just moved it over slightly. I got my unit in a size medium and it fits so perfectly. I didn't have to cut the area near the ear tabs or anything. Right now, because I shifted the part, I need to cut down the baby hair some more, and then I'm going to begin to use crocodile clips in order to lift the hair so that the lace is positioned upward so that I can begin putting the Got2b glue down. And for this particular install, I'm going to do a partial glueless. So I'm only going to put Got2b glue on the right side, in the middle, and the left side I'm just going to leave it as is and just put hair behind my ear. hair a bit more life. It was kind of smashed in the packaging. I'm going to be using some mousse over the hair, and don't apply too much because this is a very fine, silky textured unit. So I'm just going over with my Nairobi foam mousse. After applying it, I'm scrunching the ends just to draw everything up, and this will help to define the waves just a slight bit. This hair is a true wavy unit. This is not one where if you wet it down and use a detangling brush that it's going to look curly. It's going to look wavy. It's going to stay true to this texture. So right now I'm going to use the Care styling wax in order to flatten everything out at the top. After applying the wax, I'm going to go over it with my baby hair comb in order to make sure everything looks nice and sleek. And we're going to pretty much be done.
Far away, but still I've been close. You should know I'm still holding on. Don't act like you don't let me no more. Can I come over? Can I come over? You telling me it's over? Why you telling me it's over? Girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah, I wanna roll up on ya. Can I roll up on ya? Can I roll up on ya?
Y'all, this hair is so gorgeous. I got mine at 150% density, and it is a really, really great everyday bob. I feel like you can style it a number of different ways. You can put it behind your ear. You can wear a hat with it. I got this really cool hat from Urban Outfitters, and I just love it. I usually find it quite difficult in order to wear a hat with a texture that's not straight, but this one, because it's wavy and also because it's fine, this hair is going to be perfect for a fedora. It looks so chic, so classy, and edgy. You can also style this unit with a low bun. So I'm going to show you all that now. So keep watching.
You said you always pick up when I call you. You said you always hold me down when I call you. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. I admit I might be wasted. All your friends, I know they hate me. You still running and I'm chasing. I don't know, I can't explain it.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on my new Instagram page. Check the description box for the link and specifications for this unit. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
So can I come over? Can I come over? So why you telling me it's over? Are you telling me it's over?